3D glasses with tunnel vision, I'm something different. I live my life under one condition, that's fuck the system. It's like I'm tied to a ton of bricks, so I'm chugging liquor. See me out there in public and now they want a picture. Okay, that's fine with me, I rely on the irony. Labels still trying to sign with me, honestly, I'm still out of reach. Cause where I'm from, I run this scene in its entirety. While y'all still in the bleachers with your popcorn trying to find a seat. This rap shit'll make you feel like you're the hierarchy. But little did you know that I've been dealing with anxiety. I call my parents up so I can hear them say they're proud of me. Y'all think I'm living lavish, man, this ain't what it's cut out to be. I'm playing that we order plates of steak when we go out to eat. I'm somewhere in Belize smoking weed on a balcony. We getting money making fans though, it's all good. We upgraded from old carpet to hardwood, it's murk.
I've been stressing, I've been running out of patience. Drink tequila every night, don't need no chaser. On the road doing shows, collecting paper. Started out local, now it's major. I've been stressing, I've been running out of patience. Drink tequila every night, don't need no chaser. We on the road doing shows, collecting paper. It started out local, now it's major. All black diamonds in my bracelet. I just wanna be man independent. I'ma get rich and I can taste it. For years they try to tell me what I can be. Tunnel vision on these haters. Tunnel vision on these haters. Tunnel vision on these haters. Tunnel vision on these haters.
The nerve of these fucking rappers, I'm burning a couple backwards. Determined, I'm moving forward and swerving and going backwards. I'm the punchline general. You see me in Salute, the renegade, drinking lemonade. They see I got the juice. I see them hating, I'm watching through my binoculars. It's Groundhog Day when you winning and they start popping up. I call the bluff cause I'm strapped up like an armored truck. You get distracted, they cut you just like a barber drunk. They want beef, then I roast them, it's like a Arby's lunch. Y'all are drinking coolers like losers inside a party bus. It makes me wonder if you know what it's like to have to struggle every month. I couldn't focus at night. Nah, collecting paper, it escalates to get friends and haters. I'm looking down on these pussies, I took the elevator. I ain't with the fuck shit, I'm used to it, I see it. Now these people talking shit are acting cool cause it's convenient. Nah. Yeah, Stomp Down Killers for Life 2017. Yeah.
I've been stressing, I've been running out of patience. Drink tequila every night, don't need no chaser. On the road doing shows, collecting paper. Started out local, now it's major. I've been stressing, I've been running out of patience. Drink tequila every night, don't need no chaser. We on the road doing shows, collecting paper. It started out local, now it's major. All black diamonds in my bracelet.